Hi, my name's Tom Kina. I'm the chair of the electrical program. I was a master electrician when I was 24 years old. I worked 15 years in the electrical industry before I started teaching, and I've currently been teaching 21 years.
Hi, my name's Greg Newson. I got my start in electronics in the Air National Guard. And from there I got into wind turbines, and I've been adjunct faculty here since about 2009, and I've been full-time since last year. If you want to come into the electrical technology field, you are more than welcome, and all you need is a willingness to learn. Okay? That's all they really need to have. We don't ask for any other skills coming in. Okay? That's all you need to have. We'll teach you everything you need to know. We've got our labs, we've got our instructors. You're going to be wiring everything up from a residential circuit all the way up to an industrial control circuit and eventually an electrical motor.
So a lot of students come in and they're like, I really don't know what I want to do, and I get that. I was there. If you're not sure what you want to do, take a class. One class to start with is like the residential class. It's a fun class. It gets you a lot of lab work. You get in the lab, you meet a lot of people, you're working side by side with a lot of other apprentices, so you get to talk to them, you get to network in that industry and find out what the culture's like.
I love teaching in general. I just love it when I see that a student understands something and that they didn't understand before. I just love that. It's just a great feeling to pass on that knowledge.
There's going to be some theory, code, and skills mixed in their whole apprenticeship. So they're going to have to know some skills, so when they go out on the job site, they can actually do something. They're going to have to know a little bit of theory of how it works. They're not going to expect it to know that really well until they get through their apprenticeship a little bit further. And then they're going to have to know some code also that's going to tell them why they're doing what they're doing.
There's such a shortage of technicians right now, it's insane. It is wide open, and there are so few people going into these tech fields. My main goal here is to be relevant. And because I just came out of industry, that's my main thing I want to be. I'm not going to teach you something you don't need to know.
So the network that we've built here at Kalamazoo Valley can take a student out of high school, put them in some classes, connect them with contractors, get them jobs, and he can move into the industry seamlessly.